Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Jasmy targets updates with my customer said. What's going on now? Let's dive in. One more time guys, this is an amazing example. So don't fall in love in any token. Never say never, because around here I post the video where I explain it why it's logical exit point on the Jasmy, to fix the profit, because the profit was so great. Not all of the tokens guys perform like Jasmy here, like 2000% gains. So let's be real. Jasmy, one of the top performer, this cycle. And I remind you, for example, the cycle 2020, 2021, the H bar, so Hedera hash graph, finish the cycle just with 2000% gains. So not all coins guys hit the 5,000, 10,000% gains like everybody waiting for. I don't know why people waiting so crazy gains, maybe in altcoins, yes. Some tokens like Mantra pump at 36,000% gains, also good. But if you not fix the profit, you basically lose all unrealized P&L, right? Or maybe even the stock in this token probably forever for the next few years. All right, why it was a logical exit point? Because take a look, I hide the FIB. Yesterday, I highly recommend you go and watch. I posted the video how to work with the 3 drives pattern. On the Jasmy, it was so amazing example on the weekly time frame. So the high time frame, the strongest signal here. 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, and we stop it exactly till penny at 78.86 level by FIB. The monthly, yep. Pretty simple. And it was a lot of factors why it's logical exit, because we trade way over exit line, we close the monthly gap, we form the 3 drives pattern on the weekly time frame. It's so obvious, so we should fix the profit. 2000% gains. Amazing. Just an amazing. Why do people hop in here? I have no idea. And I mark the buy line. We traded at 5 cents 84. I marked the buy line on the weekly. So sooner or later, we're going to test this line. People scream it. No, it will never happen because you too late in Jasmy. Jasmy, for me personally, like any other token, just a pure speculation. Nothing special. What I don't like the Binance ad, the Jasmy under monitoring tag. It's kind of risky, of course. I bought Jasmy around here and out around here. So yes, I miss it. All this moves. Is it some problem? Basically not, because I'm not stuck in this token. I'm out in profit, so it's okay. I can't know where exact bottom, where exact top. No, So I fix the profit step by step. So what's the main target for Jasmy? For Jasmy, it's 9 cents and 14 cents. So yes, this is my conservative price target and maybe the highest point for this cycle. If everything will be still the same with the supply and if the Binance will not delist the Jasmy from exchange, because we need main liquidity. So guys, don't fall in love in any tokens. Just trade it like a basic speculation. Is it okay to buy Jasmy now? Basically, yes, because what the reason? Because now the seasonality. So it's a summer, a less volatility in the market. One thing. So it's accumulation time. Next one, we traded and tested in April fundamental value on the weekly time frame. We bounce it. Now we try hold the line, the buy line on the weekly, and fundamental value again 0.2094. If we drop next week, for example, retest it again, or we hold the line. And the target will be, the road will be open to 2 cents 52 and exit line again at 2 cents 84. So this is it. Do I believe we should drop, I don't know, to this area? Maybe. Why? Because it will be the fulfill of monthly gap like 0.2077. At this point, I will be ready to buy Jasmy again. Now I have zero interest because investment portfolio format, right? I'm not a millionaire or billionaire to shield you all the time the fancy stories about buy the deep every single token. I don't have unlimited budget. So this is a boring, realistic channel. So welcome. So this is a zone where I would like to buy. Should I buy now with with leverages on the futures? No, I skip it. This one, we already bounced it. Pretty good one. What I don't like on a daily, I don't like on a daily we didn't test the buy line. Buy line it's 1 cent, round number. So yes, we got a chance to test it. 12-hour time frame yesterday was a perfect test of the buy line. 3 days ago, sorry, 3 days ago was a perfect test of 12-hour time frame buy line. That's why I highly recommend you use the indicator set, so you can adjust it to your trading strategy, up to you on your favorite time frame. 41% pump, amazing. Second leverage, almost 100% profit. Nice one. Weekly, I showed you. Daily, if we'll see now the reversal move. So here, accumulation again, it's a buy line 1 cent. Fundamental value, it's a 0.207. So at fundamental value on the daily, I will be ready to buy Jasmy. Take profits, fundamental price on the daily. At this moment, I'm waiting, just waiting. If you believe in just a local intraday, let's say swing trades position, so the bullish one is 1 cent 98. To fix a profit, here's a 2 cents 24. So this is a zone where more than okay to fix the profit. Got it. Let me show you the other indicator set. Local one and the global one. Trade on, money power, guys. Take a look. Here, it was so obvious. Buy, take profit. This was the reason why I sell the Jasmy. Sell, drop. Now we see the buyback. Probably this one signal still relevant like a buy signal, May one. Money inflow was here. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, money inflow. Pretty good one. Now no money inflow. So need to see one more money inflow again. Monthly, we tested at the top several times. Now I think we will drop to the middle. And after that, form the new high, not a new all-time high. Daily, guys. Here, signal to buy was at the beginning of April. At the test of the buy line on weekly time frame, here was a test signal buy 2 days ago on daily with the money inflow 12-hour time frame. So obvious, buy, bounce, 41%, 42%. Pretty good one. Money inflow. So definitely now it's not a time to, sell and out Jasmy, because based on risk ratio, we around okay zones for accumulation Jasmy, because BTC dominance so high. Anyway, sooner or later we will drop on BTC dominance and the liquidity will inflow in all altcoins, so you can buy now, of course, if you feel comfortable, and add limit order, for example, to 0.207. 2 limit orders, average entry will be like, I guess, 1 cent, 2 cents pump, withdraw initial deposit 100%, right, with the free tokens to 14 cents, for example, if we will see this moves. You build a plan. So this is a not so complicated plan, but you build a plan and you follow this plan. If the token not drop to your limit order or zone of interest, you just can add alert, for example, on TradingView, you just skip it. Guys. Can we go higher from these current prices? Yes, of course. Of course we can. Market smooth. Take a look weekly, how it playing out previously. So here, capitulation zone, disbelief capitulation zone again, October 2023. After that, you know what happened, 2,000% gains. Here, drop, capitulation zone, disbelief, capitulation zone, disbelief. Would be good to see, of course, the fulfill on the monthly time frame, one more last drop, but I'm not sure they will give us this chance. If they will decide, because we can't know at this current moment, guys, we work only with this current data. If the Binance decide to delist Jasmy, you can be sure we will drop 50% in a few days. After that, before exact day of the listing, we will pump again. So just be careful. I hope not. I hope they will not delist the Jasmy. So just in case. So now, based on risk ratio, it's okay. Accumulate Jasmy on a weekly and a daily. I guess it's overhyped. No, still only positive. Nice one. Guys, I highly recommend you again use this set to remind the good entries for the spot or for the futures again. Here, weekly time frame, that drop, we never seen the biggest accumulation. Even here, was a last accumulation than here. So that time in October 2022, the price was 0.2041 here accumulation size, and this accumulation size March 2025 after 3 years at 0.2089. So that's a deal, guys. 100% difference, right? But the accumulation much bigger. The worst case scenario, of course, if we're gonna form the warranty like this one. The worst case scenario, of course, if they delist the Jasmy, of course, but it can be the warranty. Something like this one, you know. Bam. One more bounce, drop. So this is going to be the warranty. Here is a step-by-step, the wells accumulate. So we never seen the accumulation on the Jasmy previously since this indicator shows the data since May 2022. The wells accumulate on the weekly. Daily, of course, here was accumulation, signals to buy, accumulation, bounce. Now nothing. So guys, I hope you like this video. All targets I showed you, the logic for current moment I explained it to you. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.